Hello everybody, in this quick video I wanted to show how you can put pitch names all on one part at once globally, and this is just for one part. The reason this is important is for many teachers, levels are very different for students, or you're working with a newer player, newer student, any age. So I have the part selected here. The first thing you want to do is go to selection filter. And if you go to selection filter, usually it's going to look like this. Uncheck everything. Okay, and then you're going to just highlight a bar. You're going to do Command A or Control A, and then I am going to go to Properties. After Properties, this is where it gets a little busy. We're going to go down where we see Note, and then you're going to look for Head, and then go down, and then we're going to look for Show More. Okay, so we have the Show More. We're almost there. I know it's not always easy. Look for pitch names. And then you have all the pitch names through the whole part, which is important. I've known teachers that will like globally click just 8 measures at a time, and that's just super annoying. So hopefully this video helps. Again, what you have to make sure you do, basic 2 steps, is you want to make sure that you go to the selection filter. There's a few different ways of doing it, but this is fairly fast, and you want to uncheck. So that way you'll be able to find the note head and the properties. So after that, you go highlight a measure, then Control or Command A, then go to Properties. Then this is where it gets a little busy. You have to click on Note, and then you have to click on Head, and then you have to go down and look for Show More, but you get the job done. So yeah, there's more clicks than we would like, but it's a big software. That's it. Hopefully this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.